tutorial, I'll show you how to block unwanted emails on Hostinger. Yeah, if your inbox has been getting cluttered with spam or messages you don't want, this quick guide will help you clean things up. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Hostinger website. Click Login and sign in with your email and password. If you don't remember your credentials, just use the password recovery option. It's right there on the login page. After logging in, you'll land on the Hostinger dashboard, also called the H panel. From here, click on the Email tab. This section lets you manage all the email accounts tied to your domains. Inside the email section, look for Webmail. Clicking on this opens your email inbox, and it's where we'll set up the block rules. Once you're inside Webmail, find the Settings menu. Depending on the version, it may be called Settings, Options, or even Preferences. In here, look for the Spam or Blocked Addresses section. Now, just add the email addresses or entire domains that you want to block. Once they're added, messages from those senders won't land in your inbox anymore. It's a good idea to start with the emails you see most often in your spam folder. And that's it. You've blocked emails in Hostinger and taken back control of your inbox. Pretty straightforward, right? Keeping this list updated will save you time and keep things organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your email life a lot less stressful.